Ever felt like you're juggling a dozen different tasks just to get a simple customer order processed? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency is king, and having a streamlined system to manage your sales process can be a game changer. That's where NetSuite comes in. This powerful cloud-based platform offers a unified solution for managing everything from customer relationships to financials. And at the heart of it all lies the sales order. Think of a sales order as the official starting point for fulfilling a customer's request. It's more than just a list of items. It's a crucial document that sets the stage for inventory management, shipping, and ultimately, getting paid. Without a well-defined sales order process, you risk errors, delays, and frustrated customers. But fear not. NetSuite provides a robust and intuitive way to create and manage these vital documents. So, are you ready to ditch the spreadsheets and manual processes and learn how to efficiently create sales orders in NetSuite? Let's dive in and unlock this essential functionality. The first step in creating a sales order is to navigate to the transaction section within NetSuite. You can typically find this in the main menu or through a convenient shortcut on your dashboard, depending on your personalized setup. Once you're in the transactions area, look for the Sales submenu. Hovering over or clicking on Sales will reveal a drop-down list of related activities. Among these options, you'll find Enter Sales Order. Clicking on this will open a new sales order form, ready for you to input the necessary details. Now, let's talk about the form itself. At the top, you'll encounter some crucial header information. The first field you'll likely encounter is the Customer field. This is where you identify who is placing the order. NetSuite allows you to search for existing customers by name, company, or even account number. As you start typing, the system will intelligently suggest matching records, making it quick and easy to select the correct customer. If you're dealing with a new customer, NetSuite provides the option to add them directly from the screen, ensuring all your customer data is centralized. Once you've selected the customer, the form will automatically populate some key information, such as their billing and shipping addresses, if they've been previously entered. It's always a good practice to double-check these details to ensure accuracy, especially for first-time orders or if the customer has recently moved. Moving down the header, you'll find fields for the date of the order, which is usually pre-filled with the current date, and the sales rep, which allows you to attribute the sale to the appropriate team member for tracking and commission purposes. You might also see fields for terms, which specify the payment terms agreed upon with the customer, and potentially a PO number field if the customer has provided a purchase order number for their reference. Now comes the heart of the sales order, the line items. This is where you specify the products or services the customer wants to purchase. You'll typically see a grid or a table where you can add multiple items. To add an item, you'll usually click on a button labeled Add Item, or simply click into the first empty row. NetSuite allows you to search for items in a similar way you search for customers. As you start typing the item name or number, the system will provide suggestions from your inventory or service item list. Once you select an item, the system will automatically populate other relevant fields, such as the description, unit price, and any applicable tax codes. Next to the item selection, you'll find the quantity field. This is where you specify how many units of the selected item the customer wants to order. As you enter the quantity, NetSuite will often display the available quantity in your inventory, helping you to avoid overselling. The rate field will typically be pre-filled with the standard sales price of the item, but you have the flexibility to adjust it if necessary. For example, if you're offering a discount. NetSuite often provides fields for discounts, either as a percentage or a fixed amount, which will automatically recalculate the line item total. As you add more items to the sales order, NetSuite will automatically calculate the subtotal, the applicable sales tax, and the grand total at the bottom of the form. It's crucial to review these figures carefully before finalizing the order to ensure accuracy. Beyond the basic line items, NetSuite offers additional features to enhance your sales order process. You might find tabs or sections for shipping, where you can specify the shipping method and track the shipment once it's been processed. There might also be a billing tab where you can review the billing address and manage any prepayment information. Another useful feature is the notes or memo field, which allows you to add any specific instructions or details related to the order. This can be helpful for internal communication or for providing special instructions to your warehouse or shipping department. Once you've entered all the necessary information and reviewed it for accuracy, the final step is to save the sales order. You'll typically find buttons at the bottom or top of the form labeled Save, Submit, or Approve, depending on your NetSuite configuration and user permissions. Clicking the appropriate button will finalize the sales order and trigger the next steps in your order fulfillment process, such as inventory allocation and potentially creating an invoice. NetSuite also allows you to customize your sales order forms and workflows to match your specific business needs. You can add or remove fields, create custom approval processes, and even automate certain actions based on specific criteria. Exploring these customization options can further streamline your sales order process and improve overall efficiency. Mastering the creation of sales orders in NetSuite is a fundamental skill that will significantly improve your business operations. It provides a clear, organized, and efficient way to manage customer requests, track inventory, and ensure accurate billing. By taking the time to understand the different fields and functionalities within the sales order form, you'll be well on your way to a smoother and more profitable sales process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.